This is Andre, and this is how you create a mailing label. So first thing you do, you launch Microsoft Word, then you go see where it says mailings, you click on that, and you say start mail merge, and in this case, labels. And then, in this case, we're using Avery. So normally what you do, you select laser printer, you select the manufacturer, in this case we're using Avery labels, and then we're using 8160s. So 8160 address labels. It's important, in that way it will match up. You hit OK. Blah blah blah. That's fine. Delete a document. We're just using a blank document in the first place. And now we select recipients and we're using existing mailing lists. In this case, I have a mailing list on my desktop computer. Hit that, hit yes. Entire spreadsheet, sheet 1, so only one sheet in there. Hit OK. And now it creates this layout. The next thing you need to do is insert the merge fields. So in this case, I'm going to insert the first. What I suggest as well that you do is put 3 spaces here. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, just to make it not be close to the edge of the label. You want some extra space in there. Then insert first name, space, and then last name, and then next one, 1, 2, 3, and you insert address, hit return, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. I mean, the spaces is optional, but it just looks better if you're using you want to make it look nice and not be close to the edge of the mailing label. And city, and then a comma, space, state, space, and one more thing, zip code. After you do that, the first thing you do is click this button that says update labels, and it's going to populate the rest of the labels. Boom. And then we can hit preview results, and that will show you preview. There we go. And then you do finish and select print document, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.